Good morning to the community of TVians across the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy Tuesday to us all, and to all those who have different time zones. I say good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are across the world. On this, my short reminder to everyone in the community, for as many who are yet to key into the 500 TVC promo we have just today and latest tomorrow afternoon. Why? So as to avoid late rush and late confirmation of your transaction. So, guys, very little slot left. Don't eat your seed. Don't eat your seed. This is a seed. That money in your hand is a seed. Sow it. Sow it. Annual fee payment gives you 500 TVC now. And by the time the next promo comes, give you additional 1,000 plus your 100 coins every month. So, guys, it is a juicy promo. It's a mega promo. It's worth keying to. So do all your best. And for as many of us that are going out for prospering today, let us go out in full force. And for as many who are yet to key into this opportunity again, once again, don't lose focus. Don't hit your seed. Sow the seed. One seed of an apple will bring forth multiple apples. So don't eat your seed. Sow it now. It will germinate. It will bring forth numerous fruits, and you will have abundance. That is why the community is community of abundance. So guys, pay the price today. Pay the sacrifice. It's worth it to become a billionaire, and a multi-billionaire is not an easy. It needs a price. Pay the price now. Let the curtain be filled up. Let us end this distribution once and for all. So, guys, do all in your best. As we go out and prosper today, I wish you success all the way. TBC sharing abundance to the whole world. Thank you. I am Olonolo Wanyinde, one of the economic developer in the community of abundance, the TBC community. So, guys, you are welcome. Thank you very much. I want you to like this broadcast. You see that bell? Click on the bell so that every subsequent broadcast, every subsequent update you will receive. Love you all. Thank you. Share. Don't forget, don't eat your seed. Bye for now.